Today we are going to start practice paper 1. This is for March and April 2021 for mathematics, and here we are going to solve the part A, just section 1. In section 1 we are having two groups. Each group will have 6 problems. From that we have to write or we have to solve only 3 problems from each group A and group B. So these are the given problems.
First problem, find the HCF of 315 at 600 by using Euclid's division algorithm. So we have to use Euclid's division algorithm and solve this. We have to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So let us start. In solution, let us write the larger number should be inside these brackets. So that is 600 and the smallest one will be here. 315 twos are, that will be 630. So it is increasing. So that's why we will take ones are. So 315 ones are 315. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Next we will write 315 here. 315. 285 ones up. 5 minus 5, 0. 11 minus 8 is 3. Next, 285 comes here. 30. In 3 table, you have to see where you will get the nearest number to 28. So that will be 27. And when will you get that? On 9. So 9 zeros are 0, 9 threes are 27. So 5, 8 minus 7 is 1, 30 comes here, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So 13 minus 13, 30 is 0. So here HCF is 15. Now we will write this in Euclid's division algorithm form. That will be A is equals to BQ plus R. So here A is 600, B is 315, Q is 1, and the remainder is 285. 315 A, B, 285 into 1 plus R is 30. Next, A is 285, B is 30 into 9, remainder is 15. Next, 30 is A, 15 B, Q is 2 plus remainder is 0. So therefore HCF is 15. Second problem, if A is equals to 3, 9, 27, 81, then write A in the set builder form. So we have to write this set in set builder form. So let us write in solution what is given. Given A is equals to 3, 9, 27, 81. So these are the given numbers. So what is the first number? 3. So 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 9 means it is the square of 3. 3 square is 9. 27 means, and 81 is equals to 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81. X such that of x is equals to, as it is all are the powers of 3. So let us write 3 to the power of p, and this power is starting from 1. That means it is natural number and it is less than 5. That is, it is 4. So p is less than 5 and p belongs to n. Third problem, if a is equals to x such that of x belongs to n and x is less than 15, that means it is a natural number. The numbers are starting from 1, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, less than 15 means 14, and b is equals to x such that of x belongs to n. N means again natural numbers, and it is up to 3 only. Less than or equal to 3 means 1, 2, 3. Then find a minus b and write it in the set builder form. We have to find a minus b. Then next we have to write that in set builder form. So let us start. In solution, let us write for a is up to 14 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next, set b. B is equals to, these are 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. Less than or equal to 3 means we have to take, including 3, we have to take the 3 numbers. Next, a minus b. So a minus b means first we will write the set A. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14. Minus b. B is 1, 2, 3. The same elements will be cancelled. For this we have to write set builder form. A minus b is equals to x such that of x belongs to natural numbers. So this all are natural numbers, but it is not starting with 1. That means x lies between as it is greater than 3. That's why we are writing 3. So x is greater than 3, but it is less than 15 up to 14. Fourth problem, sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus kx plus 9 is 7. So they have given the sum of the zeros, that is 7. We have to find the value of k. So let us start the solution. In solution, let us write what is a given polynomial. So given polynomial is p of x is equals to x square minus kx plus 9. So this is the given polynomial, and they have given some of the zeros. First of all, let us compare this with quadratic polynomial. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. So a is here, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus k, c is equals to 9. Next, we know sum of the zeros formula. So sum of the zeros is equals to minus b by a. Sum of the zeros is given, that is 7 is equals to minus of minus k by 1. A is 1. Minus into minus plus. Therefore k is equals to 7. Fifth problem, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 2, -3, -4, 2 and 8, 13. So let us write, we have to find centroid. In solution, let us write what are the given vertices. So given vertices are A 2, -3, B -4, 2 and C 8, 13. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We know centroid formula. Centroid formula is centroid, it is denoted by capital G, is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. x1 is 2 plus -4 plus 8 by 3. y1 is -3 plus 2 plus 13 by 3. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus into minus, -4 by 3. 3 minus 3, that is, so 13 minus 3 is 10 plus 2 by 3. 10 minus 4 is 6 by 3. 10 plus 2 is 12 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 fours are. So therefore centroid is G is equals to 2, 4. Sixth problem, verify whether the points -2, 3, 4, 2 and 10, 1 are collinear or not. To check whether the given points are collinear or not, we are having two ways. That is by using distance formula, or else we can directly use area of the triangle formula. Here we will use area of the triangle formula. Let us write the given points. Given points are A -2, 3, B 4, 2 and C 10, 1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So area of the triangle formula is area of the triangle, that is triangle ABC, is equals to half mod x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. Half mod x1 is -2, y2 2 minus y3 is 1, x2 4, y3 is 1, y1 is 3, x3 is 10, y1 is 3 minus y2 minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 2 ones are -2. Plus into minus, -4 twos are 10 ones are 10. -2 minus 8 is -10 plus 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So half into 0, 0. If we got area of the triangle as 0, then we can say the given points are collinear. So therefore given points are collinear. Seventh problem, if triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR, then YZ by PQ is equals to XY by QR. Is it correct? So we have to show that is it correct or wrong. Next, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. This is the given condition. After that, we have to verify this. Then next, we have to say whether this is correct or not. Justify your answer, or you can say suppose your answer. Let us draw two triangles. Triangle X, Y, Z. Triangle P, Q, R. Next, let us write the ratios. Given triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. So we can write the ratios as XY and YZ, ZX. XY by PQ is equals to YZ by QR is equals to RP. We know that if the two triangles are similar, then their ratios will be equal. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. But the given condition is, given YZ by PQ is equals to XY by QR. As we can see, the denominator for XY is PQ. Here XY is having denominator QR and YZ by PQ, YZ by QR. So it is wrong. Therefore, given statement is wrong. Eighth problem. From the following figure, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, then find the value of X. We have to find the value of X. These are the two triangles ADE and ABC. These two triangles are similar. So let us write in solution. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. These two triangles are similar. When they are similar, we can write AD, DE and EA. AD by AB is equals to DE by BC is equals to EA by AC or CA. Here we don't need this AD by AB. So let us take this. So DE is 5 centimeter by X is equals to EA. EA is 2 centimeter by CA is 2 plus 4. CA is 2 plus 4. 5 by X is equals to 2 by 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 5 by X is equals to 1 by 3. Let us cross multiply. 3 5s are 15. X ones are X. X is equals to 15 centimeter. Ninth problem. Write the median formula and explain its terms. So we have to write median formula. Let us write median. Median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is this L? L is lower boundary of the median class. Next, N is the number of observations. CF. CF is the cumulative frequency. Of the class preceding the median class. Next, F is the frequency of the median class. Next, H. H is the class size. Tenth problem, if the mode of the data 2335776 and 8 is 3, then what is the value of x? So they have given the mode. So let us write given mode is equals to 3. Here the observations are 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 7, 6, 5x and 8. Mode means the most frequent value, the most repeated observation. So here 3 is repeated twice and 7 is also the same, 5 is also twice. But what could be the x? As they are saying there is 3. That means 3 has been 3 is 3 times. It is more than the other numbers. More times it has occurred. So therefore, the value of x is equals to 11th problem, from the English alphabet, if a letter is chosen at random, then find the probability that the letter is vowel. So we have to find the probability of vowels. So let us start in solution. In English alphabet, total letters are 26. So let us write total letters is equals to 26 and number of vowels. So how many vowels will be there? A, E, I, O, U. That means it is 5. Next, probability. So probability formula is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So probability is equals to probability of getting vowel is equals to favorable is 5. So 5 by 26. 12th problem, a bag contains 3 red balls and 4 black balls. A ball is selected at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball selected be black or red? So there are two kinds of balls are there, red and black ball. So let us write given number of red balls is equals to 3, and number of black balls is equals to 4. We have to find the probability of getting a black ball. Let us write first total number of balls. 3 plus 4 is 7. Next, probability formula is m by n, that is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So probability of getting red balls and probability of getting black balls. So here first bit is for black balls. How many black balls are there? 4. By total is 7. So 4 by 7. Next, probability of getting red balls. How many red balls are there? 3 by